Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Thank you for joining me. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make this peppered steak. Now during a week when I'm extremely busy and I just want to rustle up something quick for dinner, this is my go-to recipe. This peppered steak is great with plain rice, stir fry, couscous if you're trying to be healthy, any side dish of your choice. And guys, it is absolutely delicious and it's very simple to make. So stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. I'll be using thinly sliced frying steak for this recipe, and I purchased this steak from my local supermarket. I also have chopped ginger, bicarbonate soda, black peppercorns, which is grounded. I have my garlic, I have black and white pepper, ground ginger, garlic granules, and for my vegetables I have onions, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and the green part of spring onions. I also have corn flour, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, and Chinese cooking wine. I will list all the ingredients including measurements in the description box below. Using a sharp knife, I'm just slicing my steaks into strips. Once I finish slicing all my steak, I will place it in a bowl ready for seasoning. I am now going to season the steak, and I'm going to use Chinese cooking wine, light soy sauce, black and white pepper, ground ginger, and garlic granules. As I've added all my seasonings, I am now going to add bicarbonate soda, and the reason why I add bicarbonate soda is because it helps tenderize the meat, so when it's cooked it's nice and soft. I'm now going to add corn flour, and the corn flour will help bind everything together. I am now mixing everything together, and next I will set this aside and allow the steak to marinate for 30 minutes. Whilst the steak is marinating, time to make the sauce. In a bowl, I have just added water. Next, I'm going to add light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, corn flour to help thicken the sauce, and the black ground peppercorns. You can add as much or little peppercorns as you like. Next, I'm going to mix everything together. I'll set this aside for later use. Time to get started on a peppered steak. To my wok, I have added oil and I'm going to allow it to come to heat. The oil has come to heat, so I'm now going to add my steak. I will fry the steak on medium to high heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Every so often, I will stir to ensure that the steak is cooking evenly. And the steak is ready. I'm just going to remove it from my wok. I'll place it in a bowl and set this aside for later use. To the remaining oil, I'm just going to add my garlic and ginger. I will saute this until it is fragrant. I am now going to add the remaining vegetables and I will saute this for 1 minute. I am now going to add the sauce which I made earlier and I'll mix. Next, I'm going to add the cooked steak. In goes the steak. I'm going to mix everything together and I'll bring the sauce to a simmer on low to medium heat until the sauce thickens. This should take about 5 minutes. And the peppered steak is ready. The sauce has thickened nicely and I'm telling you, it smells incredible. If you put this on your dining table, everyone is going to tuck in and enjoy. As always, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and click the notification bell which will notify you every time I post a new video. Enjoy your peppered steak and I'll see you next time. Bye.